I would say you can gain so much, not just in the long term for your career, but in the short to medium term by just
Mhm.
becoming an expert in what you want to do. So whether that's industrial or multifamily, or whether you want to be a single family investor, whatever you want to focus on, just become an expert on it. Just make a
Mhm.
mental commitment that you're going to know everything you possibly can about that. So I'll talk about industrial as just that's what I know. So it's what I'd recommend to someone if they're doing industrial, but there'd be a lot of overlap regardless of what someone wanted to focus on. But if it was an industrial, I'd start by physically driving all the areas in your market. So if it was in Boston, I'd start driving up and down every road that has an industrial property on it and just start taking note of what tenant is in there. Is
Mm.
there a for lease sign? Who the company is that's doing the for lease sign? That'd be something that you'd want to get to remember down the road. Were there any buildings that just sold? Are there any tenants going out of business? Are there any tenants moving out? That'd be the first step that I'd do, and I'd commit to doing that weekly for the first couple of months, and then I'd supplement that by just everything you can discover online. Go on
Mm.
to all the big brokerage websites, like the major companies, JLL, Cushman, CBRE, NAI. They're all going to have market reports that they put out for your specific market, talking about vacancy and absorption and trends that are happening, big deals that have just happened, and supplement that with just any news that you can come across specific to the market. Big company coming into the market, Amazon building a 2 million square foot facility. The more information, the more knowledge that you have, the more value you can offer to other people. So even if it's someone that's brand new into their career and they've only been into it for 3 4 months, if they know something that I don't know, or they know something that the market as a whole doesn't know, they're instantly of value to that market
Mhm.
because they've got real market intelligence. And there's something that comes with not just having that information at hand. Is obviously that's currency in itself, but the
Mhm.
confidence of knowing that you're an expert. Then all of a sudden, when you're starting to have conversations with people, if you're reaching out to perhaps a mentor or somebody that you want to help guide your career, then you actually have some information you've shown to them, or you can show to them that you're a student of the market.